Okay, I'm outside and let me see if I can take this camera off and show you the two monsters I was talking about, because they're out here already and they are fighting and they are around me. Where are they? I can't follow them because they're just moving too fast, but I'll try to stay still. Anyway, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this because they are in my domain and I need to figure out a way to get rid of them. I just don't know how. I'll have to get my husband on it so he can save me from these monsters because they're about this long. I mean, seriously, they're huge and it's two of them. Anyway, I'm outside now and now I need to connect the two ends to the side pieces, and I am going to do that over in this clear area so I can let those two, whatever they are, have the space over there and I need the space over here. So let me position my camera, and as you can see, the sun is coming out and it's already hot. I don't know what the temperature is because I left my phone in the house, but it's hot because I'm sweating already just by moving the stuff out here. So let me take you over here. This is not where the bed is going. The bed is going to go where the grow stand is, the bucket stands are, and I'm going to move the bucket stands over by my wood pile for now, just temporarily. Don't come over here. Do not come over here. They're over here now. I'm telling you, they come after me. So anyway, I'm going to do what I need to do and ignore them as best as I can, and got to keep it moving. So just keep watching. I should have put my apron on so I could put the screws in the pocket, but I did not think about that. That was a nice sound, that scraping up against the other one, wasn't it? Okay, how am I going to do this? Because I'm not sitting on the wet grass. If only I had a work table out here. But I don't got one. So, now why did I grab screws but I didn't grab the wing nuts? just pinched the crap out of my finger. You know, I never put together a project that I don't have a war wound from. My goodness. Luckily, it didn't draw blood. All right, come on. Wow. Okay. I think I see something. Maybe when this tipped is when I lost one. Oh, I know what. No, I didn't. Because two of these stabilizing bars get screwed in, and those two wing nuts go over here. Figured it out. But they didn't give me any extras. That sucks. So one goes here and one goes at the bottom. One goes there and one goes at the bottom. I need my screwdriver for this. I have to sit for this because stooping and squatting is not my thing. My back will not allow it. It will. I just won't be able to move tomorrow. And we cannot have that. So, I need to take the wing nut off of this. And I just dropped it. That blasted. I'll find it. And this screws on like so. And then tighten. And now I need to do this one the same way. This one I'm not going to lose the wing nut on because I'm going to hold on to it. Now, where's my wing nut? I gotta find it. I gotta find it. Gotta find it. Yo, this is crazy. How in the hell did I just flick off my dang wing nut? This is why I put stuff together in the house, because on that floor I could see it. In the grass, I'm done for.
A few moments later.
Okay, the bed is put together. The camera shut off. I don't even know at what point it did shut off. But I am now done putting it together, and I've got other work that I need to do out here. I'm going to take my camera in the house because I don't have a camera umbrella yet. It's coming in the mail today to protect the camera from the sun. And I'm just going to continue working out here and not record it because I think the camera's been in the sun a little long enough for right now. So yeah, I've got to move the container stands out of the way, put the bed in place, and then start filling it with the soil. So that's what I'll be doing. So the next time you see, and let me pan it over and see if you can see this area here, there will be a raised bed. Let me see if I can get you down here. This raised bed that I just put together, you'll see that there. Did I tell you my middle name was Graceful? Anyway, that's going to do it for this portion of the video, or this video. The next one you see will probably be me putting together my compost bin. I'm going to do a cold compost because I'm not going to do the green or the brown green thing. I don't have time for that. I'm just going to start putting my kitchen waste, my garden waste in the compost bin and let it do what it does. I'll explain all of that as I go when I'm doing it. And yeah, that'll be probably the next video that you see. So, as always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos if you know someone that is interested in what I am doing out here. And thank you for watching. And remember, grow your own, eat your own. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.